Montana Rag by Dennis Alexander, a tutorial for bars 31 through 33. We start with the left hand 3 on the B flat. We step up to the B natural, step up to the C, reach down for the D. Then you've got a harmonic fifth here, and I would put 3 on the F sharp and thumb on the C. Then squeeze the thumb over for the B natural, 2 on the G. Then we've got to reach down for that 5th finger on C, thumb on the B flat, and then squeeze together again for the 3rd, F, A 3rd, and leap down for the low G. Let's look at that again. Left hand 3 B flat, step up to 2 on the B natural, step up to thumb on the C, reach down for the D by itself, and then the harmonic 5th, F sharp C, and then G B, C on the bottom with the C flat on the top, thumb on there, and then the 3rd, F A, leap down for the G. Now let's do it slowly and in good time. I count and we play. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. 2 counts, 2 counts, 2 counts, touch, touch, 1, rest, 1, rest, 1, rest, 2 counts. Let's try that again. Ready? Here we go. 2 counts, 2 counts, 2 counts, touch, touch, 1, rest, 1, rest, 1, rest, 2 counts. Now let's look at the right hand by itself. So we're just going to do the notes. 3rd finger D, then the C sharp, back to the D, up a 3rd to the F. Keep the 3 on the D, but watch what we're going to do here. We're going to do a little crossover. 1 on the C, 2 on the B natural, 1, up a 6th to the 5, up on the A that's tied. And we're going to do that because this is the pattern that we did higher up in this page on bar 21 and on bar 25 and on bar 29. It was that same pattern. So we're going to keep that same fingering pattern. C, B natural, cross the 2 over, C, reach up for the A. So that's bar 32. Look at that again. So if you take it from the D, D3, 1 on the C, cross 2 over for the B natural, 1 on the C again, and then up a 6th with the 5th finger on the A. Now that same A, replace it with the 3rd finger. 3, 2 sharp, 3, 5 on the C, 3 on the A again, and then thumb F. Now where that F is, we're going to put 4 there for that chord. Let's walk through it again. So bar 31, we have 3 on the D, C sharp, D, F, then come back to the D with the 3, squeeze 1 over to the C, cross 2 over for B natural, 1 on the C, reach up a 6th for the A. That same A is finger 3, 3, 2 on the G sharp, 3, line, line, line. That F line is where 4 is going to go for the chord. It's B natural on the bottom, F, G. So if I count, we'll do it in good time. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. Rest, apple, apple, rest, and apple, apple, tie to rest. Apple, apple, pie, pie, rest, big pie. Let's do that again. Ready? Here we go. Rest, apple, apple, rest, and apple, apple, tie to rest. Apple, apple, rest, 2 counts. Now let's take a look at putting the hands together. I'll count slowly and let's put it together. 1 and 2 and ready, go. Pie, apple, apple, rest, and apple, apple, touch, touch, pie, apple, apple, pie, pie, rest, big pie. Let's do that again. Ready, here we go. Pie, apple, apple, rest, and apple, apple, pie, 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 apple, apple, pie, pie, rest, big pie. We might have a little bit of trouble in that last bar because we've got to move both hands. So let's look at the last 2 bars. When you have pie, apple, apple, pie, from right here, where do you go? Where that F is, remember we're going to put 4 there, and we're going to leap the left hand down to the G. So I suggest you figure out the right hand first to get it in place, and then the left hand, then you put it together. So we ended up here. We're going to move right first, then left hand. So let's look at those last 2 bars. Ready? Here we go. Pie, apple, apple, pie, pie, leap right, leap left. So you have a half of a count to move right then left. Let's look at it a little bit quicker. 1 and 2 and ready, go. Pie, apple, apple, pie, pie, right, left, boom, rest. Let's see if we can go that whole line at that speed. Apple, apple, ready, go. Pie, apple, apple, rest, and apple, apple, touch, touch, boom. Apple, apple, pie, pie, move, move, 2 counts. One more time, a little quicker. Apple,